Remarkable journey of John D. Rockefeller. In the annals of American history, few names shine as brightly as John D. Rockefeller. His story is a quintessential tale of rags to riches, a saga of unparalleled ambition, innovation, and at times controversy. Born on July 8, 1839, in Richford, New York, John Davison Rockefeller would rise from humble beginnings to become one of the wealthiest and most influential men in the world. This is the remarkable journey of a man who reshaped the landscape of American industry and philanthropy. The Rockefeller family's journey began in humble circumstances. John's father, William Avery Rockefeller Sr., was a traveling salesman and a notorious con artist, known for his dubious schemes. His mother, Eliza Davison, was a devout Baptist and a source of stability in young John's life. The Rockefeller household was frugal, and lessons of hard work and discipline were instilled in John from an early age. As a boy, John exhibited an innate gift for numbers and an unwavering work ethic. His knack for arithmetic was evident when he began selling candy to neighbors, recording his sales meticulously in a ledger. This aptitude for business would lay the foundation for his future success. At the age of 16, John D. Rockefeller found his first real job as an assistant bookkeeper, earning 50 cents a day. This job was a turning point as it not only solidified his interest in numbers, but also introduced him to the burgeoning world of business and finance. Over the years, he honed his skills and, in 1859, co-founded his first business, Clark Rockefeller, a commission firm dealing in various goods, including grains and produce. The outbreak of the Civil War brought opportunities for profit as demand for commodities soared. Rockefeller capitalized on this, forming a partnership with Maurice B. Clark to create Rockefeller Andrews, which focused on the food and commodities trade. During these years, he learned the importance of discipline, efficiency, and cost control in business, lessons that would serve him well in the future. This pivotal moment in John D. Rockefeller's life came in 1863 when he and several partners, including his brother William, established a refinery in Cleveland, Ohio. This modest operation marked the birth of what would become the mighty Standard Oil Company. Rockefeller, with his shrewd business acumen, recognized the potential for consolidation in the oil industry, which was marked by chaos, price fluctuations, and inefficiencies. With laser-like focus, Rockefeller set out to dominate the oil industry. He believed in the principle of vertical integration, where a company controls all aspects of production, from drilling to distribution. He negotiated secret deals with railroads to secure favorable shipping rates, ensuring Standard Oil's competitive edge. As Standard Oil continued to expand, Rockefeller pursued a ruthless strategy of acquisition and elimination of competitors. By offering them a choice between selling out to Standard Oil or facing ruinous competition, he effectively created a monopoly in the oil industry. In 1882, Standard Oil Trust was formed, which held the stocks of various affiliated companies. This corporate structure gave Rockefeller unprecedented control over the oil industry, allowing him to dictate prices and crush competition. The Standard Oil Trust quickly became synonymous with monopolistic power, drawing the ire of small business owners, competitors, and the public at large. Critics accused Rockefeller of unethical business practices and using his influence to manipulate markets. The company's dominance in the oil industry was so complete that by the late 19th century, it controlled an estimated 90% of the United States oil production and distribution. Immense power wielded by Standard Oil eventually attracted the attention of lawmakers and reformers. In 1911, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that Standard Oil was in violation of the Sherman Antitrust Act and ordered its breakup. This landmark decision led to the dissolution of the Standard Oil Trust into 34 separate companies, including companies that would later become Chevron, ExxonMobil, and ConocoPhillips. While the breakup was a significant blow to Rockefeller's empire, it also marked a turning point in his life. He shifted his focus from the oil industry to philanthropy, realizing that his immense wealth could be used to benefit society. In the latter part of his life, John D. Rockefeller dedicated himself to philanthropy on an unprecedented scale. He believed in the concept of scientific giving, which aimed to address the root causes of social issues through strategic and well-funded philanthropic endeavors. One of his most enduring legacies is the establishment of the Rockefeller Foundation in 1913 with a mission to promote the well-being of humanity worldwide. The foundation funded research in medicine, public health, education, and science, making significant contributions to the eradication of diseases like hookworm and yellow fever. John D. Rockefeller's journey from rags to riches is a testament to the American dream through hard work, determination, and a relentless pursuit of success. He transformed a modest upbringing into immense wealth and power. His story, however, is also marked by controversy, as his monopolistic practices in the oil industry drew the ire of many. Despite the legal battles and public scrutiny, Rockefeller's legacy endures not only for his business acumen, but also for his philanthropic endeavors. He used his wealth to improve the lives of countless individuals and left a lasting impact on education, healthcare, and scientific research. John D. Rockefeller's life is a complex tapestry of ambition, innovation, and contradictions, reflecting the multifaceted nature of the American dream. His remarkable journey from rags to riches remains an inspiring and cautionary tale, reminding us of the potential for both great achievement and great responsibility that comes with immense wealth and power.
Good leadership consists of showing average people how to do work of superior people. If you want to succeed, you should strike out on new paths, rather than travel the worn paths of accepted success. Don't be afraid to give up the good and go for the great. The way to make money is to buy when blood is running in the streets. Perseverance can overcome all obstacles. Even the laws of nature cannot stop it. Charity is injurious unless it helps the recipient to become independent of it. I always tried to turn every disaster into an opportunity. He who works all day has no time to make money. A friendship founded on business is better than a business founded on friendship. I believe in the dignity of labor, whether with head or hand, that the world owes no man a living, but that it owes every man an opportunity to make a living. Every right implies a responsibility, every opportunity an obligation, every possession a duty. I would rather earn 1% off of 100 people's efforts than 100% of my own efforts. If your only goal is to become rich, you will never achieve it. I believe that it is my duty to make money and use it for the benefit of my neighbors. This is what my conscience tells me. The road to happiness lies in two simple principles: find what it is that interests you and that you can do well, and when you find it, put your whole soul into it, every bit of energy and ambition and natural ability you have. You know the only thing that brings me pleasure? To see my dividends. Competition is a sin. The ability to deal with people is as purchasable a commodity as sugar or coffee, and I will pay more for that ability than for any other under the sun. How much money does it take to make a man happy? Just one more dollar.